Beautiful morning here in Ahmed. Hello everyone. Me and Ivan, we go for swimming for his dive master standards. So we're gonna swim 400 meters. And I checked the forecast again. So we're going from tomorrow to day after tomorrow, then we're going to the Agong. Okay, see you a little bit later. We just did 400 meters and you know, probably the standard is written for the pool, but when you're swimming in open water, I don't know, I almost never can get this 5 points, even me, right? So I'm like I'm probably, no, of course I'm not the fast swimmer, but anyways, it's like really hard to get these 5 points. Just because we have currents, we have waves, we have so many different factors, which is not the same as in a pool. So that's why whenever someone is doing this standard for the dive master, I'm always more looking at how he's feeling during this 400 meter swim, and he's not dead or she's not dead in the end of this 400 meter swim. It's actually bees. What is interesting actually here, back home there is a lot of flowers. The bees can take the nectar from the honey, right? But here there's not that many flowers, so that's why they even using the mango to produce the honey. Interesting fact, right? Ivan wanted to see the local quarry, so I brought him here. So he was working with as a quarry director before, and that's why he wanted to see how it looks like here in Indonesia. And I think looks pretty same, nothing really different. What else you can invent in one quarry, right? So that's pretty much the same what you can see back at home. They just drop all the big stones in there and then they just grounding them in the smaller ones. Simple. Ivan said if it would be back home, it's like we were able just to enter and there was any security, nothing, right? So it's like everybody just can come in here and look at around and no problem at all. Back home, he said everything would be stolen already. Different size. This one is bigger. And then this one is smaller. Like, that's the size. There is really small one. They just taking it like it's getting them out from all these places. That's how it works.